Hello students, I Dipali Mehta welcomes you on my YouTube channel Smart Learning. In the last video I had given you the fifth question of self-assignment. In today's video we are going to discuss the question and we'll see the solution of the same. Here is the question. Let us start with the marking of the question. From the following trial balance and adjustment given below of Reena and Aarti, you are required to prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. So first thing in the trial balance given is purchases. So purchases will go to trading account debit side, sundry debtors assets, sales return less from sales. So put one tick mark on sales. Then opening stock trading account debit side, bad debts profit and loss account debit side formula. Then land and building assets, furniture assets, discount profit and loss account debit side, royalties only royalties is given, so trading account debit side. Then rent, profit and loss account debit side, salaries, profit and loss account debit side, wages, trading account debit side, then insurance, profit and loss debit side, current account of Reena, so it's a debit balance, so partner's current account debit side, so PCD, to balance brought down, cash at bank asset, cash in hand assets. On the credit side, first thing given is sales. So sales will go to TC, trading account credit side, sundry creditors liabilities, purchase return less from purchases. So put one tick mark on purchase. Then RDD, so this is old RDD, so PD formula. Then discount, credit में दिया है तो profit and loss account credit side, commission profit and loss account credit side because it's an income. Then capital, so it's a fixed capital method, so capital will directly go to liabilities. Current account of Aarti is a credit balance, it is given on the credit side, so by balance brought down, so PCC, partner's current account credit side. Now here there's no hidden adjustment given, so we'll directly start with the adjustments given below the trial balance, right? So here first adjustment is closing stock valued at 22,000. Okay, so closing stock का effect क्या होगा? TC and assets, right? Then write off rupees 900 for bad and doubtful debts and create provision for reserve for doubtful debts. When it is said written off for bad and doubtful debts means it is already bad debts, it's a further bad debts. And when it says create a provision or a reserve, okay, so it means it is a new RDD. So for the bad debts and new RDD both are given, so the effects of the both of them will remain the same. So what will be the effect? Profit and loss account debit side formula, so PD formula, okay, and less from debtors, right? और debtors हमारा कहाँ पे होता है? Assets. So put two tick mark on debtors, then create a provision for discount on debtors at 3% and on creditors at 5%, right? So first we'll discuss about the discount on debtors. So discount on debtors, again PD, okay, P&L debit side, but it will be add to discount, and less from debtors, and debtors we write on the asset side. So one more adjustment on debtors. Okay, now this discount on debtors and on creditors we have done several times now, so now we know what are the effects of the same. Now same way creditors, so for creditors effect will be less from creditors, and creditors we write on the liability side, and profit and loss account credit side add to discount. Okay, so here on the debit side also I forgot to put a tick mark on discount, so here I am putting discount, tick mark on discount, and on the credit side also, and on the creditor also one tick mark. Okay. Then outstanding expenses, wages rupees 700 and salaries rupees 800. So as it is outstanding, outstanding always add, right? So we always do add to expenses, so same way we are going to mention over here, add to expenses, and second effect will go to liabilities. So put one tick mark on salaries and put one tick mark on wages. Then insurance is paid for 15 months with effect from 1st April 2018. Now this is a new transaction, this has been introduced this year, and this we have done twice or thrice before also. Okay, so we have paid for 15 months, so 1500 of insurance has to be divided by 15 months, so per month you will get 100 rupees. right? So it has been paid from 1st April to 15 months. So that means 3 months are extra because we prepare final account for 12 months. So 3 months means 300 rupees will be your prepaid value, right? So it's a prepaid transaction. So when your expenses are prepaid, prepaid always kya hoga? Less. So less from expenses and assets. So put one tick mark on insurance. Then depreciate land and building at the rate 5%. So it's a depreciation, simple depreciation transaction. This also we have done in almost all the questions. So less from assets and profit and loss account debit side. So put one tick mark on land and building, right? Then Reena and Aarti are sharing profit and losses in their capital ratio. So capital ratio means on the basis of capital we have to find out the profit sharing ratio. This also we have done several times and we'll see in the solution as well. Okay, I hope you are clear with the marking of the question. Let us see the solution. This is the solution of your self-assignment question number 5. On the top you have to write in the books of Reena and Aarti. Trading account for the year ended 31st March 2019 at the corner DR and CR. You can see the trading account, right? All the adjustments are done of outstanding, closing stock, sales return and purchase return. So you will get the gross profit valued rupees 23,900. Here I have mentioned the balance of the debit balance also, that is debit total and credit total both, right? So credit side is more, so we got 23,900 as gross profit. This we need to transfer on the opposite side. Okay, you can see the adjustments done in the profit and loss account as well, right? So accordingly you can check your answer, because this all adjustments almost in this question, whatever adjustments I have taken, that we have already done, right? So you can very well refer from the solution, and if you have any doubt you can put it in the comment box, right? And you will get credit side total is 25,435, debit side is 11,893. So you'll get a net profit of 13,542. Okay, so here that the capital ratio which we were talking about, so 50,000, 30,000 is the capital value. So if you cancel common zeros, so you'll get 5:3. Okay, so now this is not further divisible. So 13,542 you have to divide by 8. So you'll get an answer of 1692.75. Okay, so I've multiplied the same value with the 5 and 3. So here I am getting 0.75. So I've rounded off 1 rupee over here, and it is 0.25. So I've not taken any round off value over here. Means 1 रुपया मैंने ऊपर यहाँ पे बढ़ा दिया. 8463.75 था, तो 8464 I have done it. Okay, and here it is less than 0.5. So I've just kept it as it is, 5078. Okay. So you can see the same values I have put it over here, 8464 and 5078. That will be transferred on the opposite side. Then you have to close the current account. In current account also credit balance is more. That means credit side total is more. And you got the balance carried down here on the debit side. So you have to transfer on the credit side. That means liability side. So here you can see current account of Reena and Aarti, 5464 and 6078. So total comes to 11,542, right? You can check the balance sheet also over here, right? Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019, and see all the effects and adjustments are done over here, right? And the total you will get is 1,16,507. Okay, I'm not discussing much solution now because I've already discussed the question. But if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box. I will reply to the same. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep sharing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.